What's up, beautiful people? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Indy, aka the Dynamite Natural. I make natural hair and girl talk videos. So if you're into this sort of content, subscribe down below and turn on your post notifications to all so that you can be notified each and every single time I post a new video. Okay, so let's get right into the video. Today's video I'm going to be talking about tackling and conquering dry hair, okay, in 2020. Okay, so yeah, let's just get right into the video. So first things first, when your hair is dry, like always, I have my notebook here. So if you're new to my channel, I always have my notebook when I'm doing my videos so that I do not miss anything I want or have to see. Okay. So when your natural hair is dry and you're looking for something to quench that thirst, a product even, to make sure that your hair is moisturized, your best bet is a conditioner. What you need is a conditioner. Now, there are people that go out there and when their hair is dry, they get oils and butters and use it on their hair. I'm not saying it's bad. I mean, there are people who use it and claim that it does make their hair moisturized. But if you're one of those who have used oils and butters and they're not working, let me tell you that you don't use oils and butters on dry hair. For people that do the LOC method, oils and butters are actually supposed to lock in moisture into your hair. So if your hair is dry, what you need is a conditioner. You can use oils after you've used your conditioners, or you can mix them, but using them alone, using just oils alone, it's just not going to cut it. Okay, so the first type of conditioner that you will need is a detangling conditioner. Now, there are different types of conditioners I forgot to mention for different levels of moisture. Okay, so the first one, like I said before, is going to be a detangling conditioner. When detangling your hair, you should know that you can't detangle on dry hair. You need to detangle on moisturized hair. So a detangling conditioner will give you some level of moisture to detangle your hair, or else if you detangle on dry hair, it's going to break off. So it's important, it's a very important step, especially during wash day. Anytime you choose to use the detangling conditioner, whether before the shampoo process or after, it's important before the shampoo process so that you can infuse your hair with moisture to prevent the shampoo from stripping your hair of too much moisture. It's also important after the shampoo process to restore the moisture that the shampoo has taken out of your hair. Anytime it's your wash day, before or after shampoo, you use a detangling conditioner to replenish moisture and to up your moisture levels. The next type of conditioner that you need is a deep conditioner. This one infuses deeper levels of moisture into your hair strands. It moisturizes your hair from inside out, gives your hair nourishment and makes your hair healthy, gives your hair long-term healthy effects. Okay, so it's food for the hair, and it also increases the elasticity and flexibility of your hair. So the thing with deep conditioning is that you have to pick a deep conditioning routine and be consistent with it. That is your best bet to getting the best out of a deep conditioner. The next type of conditioner that you need is your leave-in conditioner. Now, this type of conditioner, as the name implies, means you use it and then you leave it in your hair without rinsing out to allow your hair to reap the benefits, for it to continue moisturizing your hair even after the wash day. It keeps on infusing your hair strands with nourishment, with food, with nutrients, with moisture, even after the wash day. So you can use it. You can also use a moisturizer. You can use it as a moisturizer as and when needed. You can moisturize your hair daily or every other day. And you can also use, there are other stuffs in the market that you can use, or in the beauty supply stores that you can use to moisturize your hair. Like there are moisturizers, curl creams, curl milks, lotions, but make sure that whatever moisturizer that you're going to use on your hair has water as the first or second ingredient. Okay, and those are the three types of conditioners that you will need: a detangling conditioner, a deep conditioner, and a leave-in conditioner. conditioner. Now other steps or other tips that you can use to keep your hair moisturized. Another tip that you can use is, or bonus tips that I'm giving you, is trim regularly. Good ends will ensure that you retain the most moisture. If your hair is damaged, like I wrote here, if your hair is damaged and drying from the ends and you do not snip it, it will keep traveling up your hair and you'll realize that your hair is not retaining any of the moisture, which is a waste of time and product. I noticed that when my ends are bad, the ends don't retain any moisture, and if I don't trim, it keeps traveling until it destroys even other parts that we good. So if your ends are getting bad, make sure you snip it. The video where I explained my experience, so go ahead and check it out. I will leave it also in the iCard and also in the description box below. And also, if length retention is your goal, you want to grow longer hair, trimming off damaged or split ends will really help you, because if your ends are split or damaged, this is what will happen. It will split and not onto another strand and not onto another strand, and that particular strand too will keep splitting. So it's better that you snip it off so that it doesn't damage the whole strand. Okay, so that is. And if length retention is your goal, those damaged ends can also hamper your progress. Okay, so check out this video here on how to know when it's time to trim your hair, because if your hair is healthy, you don't want to cut out perfectly good hair. So check out this video to know when it's time to trim your hair, and also check out this video for a tutorial on how to trim your hair without using heat or twist. Okay, tip is sleep with a satin or silk bonnet on. Cotton absorbs moisture from the hair, so if you're sleeping and rubbing your hair all night on your cotton pillowcase, it's going to absorb all the moisture that you took time to infuse during your wash day process or during the day. So make sure that you use a satin bonnet or a satin pillowcase. Now if you do not have a satin pillowcase, what you can also do is use your satin scarf and lay it on top of your cotton pillowcase. This will also serve as an extra layer of protection just in case your bonnet slips off. Okay, so that is all the tips that I have for you guys today. So I hope that you love this video. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, with someone that you know it will be helpful for. Go ahead and hit the like button, the thumbs up button, and also subscribe down below, and turn on all your post notifications to all so that you can be notified each time I post a new video. And also, if you have any moisture, dry hair conquering tips, go ahead and put them in the comment section. I want to learn too. Okay, and if you're not following me on my other social media handles, go ahead and follow me on my other social media handles right here. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video was helpful. And thank you so much for watching. Bye. I love you.